What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. My name is Ci'Aira. That's why I'm just being Ci'Aira. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back and thanks for your continued support. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi. We are bringing you guys a great trending topic. So last month we did a adult beverage collab where we had some really great different ideas on drinks and stuff like that, but we're doing it non-alcoholic style. It doesn't have to be alcoholic. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. An adult beverage is not just about alcohol, and it's not about, you know, getting drunk or anything else. So I'm gonna bring you guys a drink that went viral on my channel, I would say about a year or two ago, and all I'm gonna say is I hope that you guys try this drink out at home, and definitely try it for a week and you'll definitely see the results. All right, so this drink is the Tik-Tok apple cider vinegar drink with the cranberry juice and the pineapple juice. So let me just show you what you need in order to make this drink really quickly. So you need some ice, you need a cup, I'm gonna be using this. You need some pineapple chunks, you need cranberry juice, you need pineapple juice, and of course you need the apple cider vinegar with the mother. One thing about this drink is that it's very easy to make. First things first, go ahead and get your ice prepared into the cup that you're gonna use. So there we have it. I have some ice already in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the pineapple chunks next, just to show you guys. You can do it any kind of way. You can start over here, you can start here, you can start here. Either way, it's all gonna get mixed up together, and make sure that you have a handy dandy straw to mix it up. All right, so I'm gonna take about one, and if I can get like one more smaller piece, like this. Okay. All right, so the base of this drink is actually mostly the cranberry juice. So I'm just going to pour in a good amount of the cranberry juice, because you will be adding in the pineapple juice as well. I'm gonna roughly add in about that much pineapple juice. And then last but not least, you need to add in the apple cider vinegar with the mother. And you're gonna pour in a good amount of that. About that much. So you're gonna take this drink it once a day. You can do twice a day. One thing about this drink is it definitely is gonna make you feel unbloated. It's definitely gonna make you feel definitely energized for sure. But like I said, I'm gonna show you guys my weight now. All right, so now you can just take the straw and kind of like stir everything up. The drink will be nice and cold. The ice will make it to where if you need to leave it sitting for a little while, it'll still keep it nice and cold. Pineapples you can eat at the end, and everything is all mixed up in here. So like I said, I put it in my mom juice cup, and I'm gonna get ready to enjoy my start to the Tik-Tok apple cider vinegar, pineapple, and cranberry juice.